veterans getting me 9 times. Got the strength of my old man, the poetry of my mother. The name I was given can help you tell me from another, my brother.
Bullet 2, mate. I'm moving.
Don't give him anything, mate. I've got it.
Why don't you put that down and get a proper job?
Let you mind your own business.
This is my business, you drop kick.
Watch out!
Yeah, hi, Detective Senior Constable Ali Kingston. I need a car to Arthur's Lane off Newlands Road. Yeah, I've got an armed offender here with a sore head. As soon as he can, hey, I've got to be somewhere. They're on their way.
Thanks. My head, you bitch!
Shut up! You made me late.